PiNetwork is making waves in the cryptocurrency world. Launched in 2019 by a team of Stanford graduates, it aims to bring the power of cryptocurrency to the masses. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which require significant computational power and energy consumption, PiNetwork is designed to be user-friendly and energy efficient. It is a mobile-based cryptocurrency. This means that anyone with a smartphone can participate in the network, making it accessible to a broader audience. The app is available on both Android and iOS platforms, ensuring that almost anyone can join the PiNetwork community. Users can mine Pi tokens right from their smartphones. The mining process is straightforward and doesn't drain your phone's battery or data. By simply opening the app and tapping a button once every 24 hours, users can earn Pi tokens effortlessly. This unique approach aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a complete beginner, PiNetwork offers an easy entry point into the world of digital currencies. The goal is to democratize access to cryptocurrency and create a more inclusive financial system. No need for expensive equipment or technical knowledge. Traditional cryptocurrency mining often requires specialized hardware and a deep understanding of blockchain technology. PiNetwork eliminates these barriers, allowing anyone to participate with just a smartphone. Just download the app and start mining. The user interface is intuitive and straightforward, guiding users through the setup process with ease. Once the app is installed, users can start earning Pi tokens immediately. PiNetwork utilizes a novel consensus algorithm. This algorithm, known as the Stellar Consensus Protocol (SCP), is designed to be secure and efficient. It allows the network to reach consensus quickly and with minimal energy consumption, making it environmentally friendly. It relies on a network of trusted contacts to verify transactions. This system, called the Security Circle, ensures that transactions are validated by people you know and trust, adding an extra layer of security to the network. This approach, known as the Security Circle, enhances security. By leveraging social connections, PiNetwork can prevent fraudulent activities and ensure the integrity of the network. Users are encouraged to add trusted contacts to their security circle, further strengthening the network's security. It also ensures fairness in the distribution of Pi tokens. Unlike traditional mining, where early adopters often reap the most rewards, PiNetwork's distribution model is designed to be fair and equitable. This means that everyone has an equal opportunity to earn Pi tokens regardless of when they join the network. PiNetwork is currently in its enclosed mainnet phase. During this phase, the network is operating in a controlled environment, allowing developers to test and refine the system before the full launch. This ensures that any issues can be addressed, and the network can operate smoothly once it goes live. This phase precedes the highly anticipated Open Mainnet launch. The Open Mainnet will mark the official launch of PiNetwork, allowing users to trade and use their Pi tokens freely. The anticipation is building as the community eagerly awaits this milestone. During this time, the focus is on building the Pi ecosystem. Developers are working on creating a robust infrastructure that can support a wide range of applications and services. This includes everything from decentralized apps, dApps, to marketplaces where users can spend their Pi tokens. Developers are working hard to improve the network's infrastructure and functionality. The goal is to create a seamless and efficient platform that can handle a large number of transactions and support a growing user base. With continuous improvements and updates, PiNetwork aims to become a leading player in the cryptocurrency space. In the world of cryptocurrency, a breakout is an exciting event. It occurs when the price of a cryptocurrency surges past a resistance level. This surge is often accompanied by a significant increase in trading volume. A breakout signals bullish sentiment. It indicates a potential for further price appreciation. PiNetwork experienced a notable breakout recently. The price of Pi climbed above a key resistance level. This breakout indicated growing confidence in the project. It also attracted the attention of investors and traders alike. After a significant price movement, a period of consolidation often follows. Consolidation is a phase characterized by price stabilization. It is a natural part of market cycles. During consolidation, the market absorbs previous gains. This prepares the cryptocurrency for its next potential move. PiNetwork is currently in a consolidation phase. The price of Pi has been trading within a relatively tight range. This follows the recent breakout. This consolidation is healthy and expected. It allows the market to find its footing before the next potential move. Several factors contribute to PiNetwork's current consolidation phase. This phase is characterized by a period of stability in price movements, often following a significant rally or breakout. Understanding these factors can provide insights into the market's behavior and future trends. One factor is profit-taking by early investors. These investors who entered the market at lower prices often choose to sell a portion of their holdings to lock in gains. This behavior is typical after a substantial price increase, as it allows them to realize profits and reduce risk. After the breakout, some investors chose to sell a portion of their holdings. This selling activity can create temporary downward pressure on the price as the market absorbs the increased supply of the asset. However, it also provides an opportunity for new investors to enter the market at more attractive prices. This is a common practice to secure profits. By selling a portion of their holdings, investors can ensure they benefit from the price increase while still maintaining a position in the asset for potential future gains. It can lead to temporary downward pressure on the price. This pressure is often seen as a natural part of the market cycle, where periods of profit-taking are followed by consolidation before the next potential move. Another factor is the anticipation of further developments. Investors closely monitor news and updates that could impact the market. In the case of PiNetwork, upcoming announcements and milestones play a crucial role in shaping investor sentiment. The cryptocurrency market thrives on news and updates. Positive news can drive prices higher, while uncertainty or negative news can lead to caution and reduced trading activity. Investors are always on the lookout for information that could influence their investment decisions. Investors are eagerly awaiting announcements regarding PiNetwork's open Mainnet launch. This highly anticipated event is expected to bring significant changes and opportunities to the network, potentially driving increased adoption and usage. This anticipation can lead to a pause in trading activity as investors wait for more clarity. During such periods, the market may experience lower volatility and reduced trading volumes, as participants prefer to wait for concrete developments before making significant moves. Section 5. The power of community. Despite the consolidation phase, PiNetwork possesses significant strengths. One of its most valuable assets is its vibrant and engaged community. The Pi community is vast and passionate. It plays a crucial role in the network's growth and development. Members of the Pi community contribute to the network in various ways. They spread awareness, provide support, and participate in the ecosystem's development. This strong sense of community fosters trust and loyalty. It is a key driver of PiNetwork's long-term potential. Section 6. Technological advancements. PiNetwork is committed to technological innovation. This commitment is evident in the way the team approaches every aspect of the network's development. From brainstorming sessions to hands-on coding, the developers are always looking for new ways to push the boundaries of what's possible. They are not just building a network, they are creating a robust ecosystem that can adapt and grow with the ever-changing technological landscape. The development team is continuously working to enhance the network's infrastructure and functionality. This involves not only improving the existing features, but also integrating new technologies that can provide a better user experience. The engineers are focused on making the network more efficient, reliable, and secure. They are constantly testing and refining their code to ensure that it meets the highest standards of quality and performance. These advancements are crucial for PiNetwork's scalability, security, and overall success. Scalability ensures that the network can handle a growing number of users without compromising performance. Security measures are put in place to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access. The success of these technological projects is a testament to the team's dedication and expertise. One area of focus is improving the PiNetwork app. The app is the gateway through which users interact with the network, making it a critical component of the overall user experience. The development team is constantly working on updates and new features to make the app more user-friendly and functional. They listen to user feedback and incorporate it into their development process to ensure that the app meets the needs of its users. The app serves as the primary interface for users to interact with the network. It allows users to mine Pi, manage their accounts, and stay updated with the latest news and developments. The app is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who are not tech-savvy. This accessibility is key to the network's growth and adoption. Developers are constantly working to enhance its user experience, security, and features. They conduct rigorous testing to identify and fix any bugs or vulnerabilities. They also work on improving the app's design and functionality to make it more appealing and efficient. The goal is to create an app that not only meets, but exceeds user expectations. These improvements make it easier for people to join the PiNetwork ecosystem and participate in its growth. By continuously enhancing the app and the network, the development team is laying the foundation for a more inclusive and accessible digital economy. This not only benefits the current users but also attracts new members, contributing to the overall success and sustainability of the PiNetwork. Section 7. Future Growth Potential. PiNetwork has the potential for future growth. Several factors support this optimistic outlook. One factor is the growing adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. As awareness and understanding of these technologies increase, so too does the potential user base for PiNetwork. Another factor is the potential for strategic partnerships. Collaborations with established companies and organizations can significantly expand PiNetwork's reach and utility. These partnerships can unlock new use cases for PI tokens and drive mainstream adoption. Section 8. A natural market phase. It's important to remember that consolidation is a natural market phase. It is not a cause for concern but rather an opportunity for the market to gather strength. During consolidation, investors and traders have time to reassess their positions. They can also evaluate the project's fundamentals and prepare for the next market move. Consolidation allows for a healthy and sustainable market. It prevents excessive volatility and reduces the likelihood of speculative bubbles. This period of relative calm provides a solid foundation for future growth. Section 9. Stay informed and engaged. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. It is essential for anyone interested in PiNetwork to stay informed and engaged. Follow PiNetwork's official channels for the latest news and updates. Engage with the community through forums and social media. Keep learning about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate this exciting and dynamic space.